doing a makeover on a particular room in my house, and I'm totally dressed like a bomb because today's DIY is going to be a little bit messy. We are doing a bathroom makeover. I rent my apartment. I can't change out appliances or make major changes, but what you can do is paint and add some cute decor and try and really turn this not so cute renter's bathroom into like total bathroom goals. So let me show you what we're working with. Ta-da! Oh, hello. Are you gonna help us? You don't wanna help? Okay, fine. So when you walk into the bathroom, it's like this long hallway with all of the appliances on one side. So it's got this long, tall wall that I want to do something with. It's like so long you can't even see it. This whole wall is going to be ombre, and I'm gonna show you how to do that with paint. So that's gonna be our DIY in this room. I've got a shower, toilet situation. We're gonna have some cute towels here. This marble clock that my mom actually made me out of a piece of marble, and then she drilled a hole and then put just the clock arms. Toilet paper's not for you. Ugly trash cans gotta go. Then getting a new situation of this because Kinsley, when she was a puppy, totally destroyed this little unit, and it doesn't really fit here. I kind of want like a corner one or something round. Hi guys. So this is like a little mirror medicine cabinet. Obviously can't change any of this out. What we can do is kind of update this with new decor because this is like not cute, and obviously new bath rugs. So before I start any kind of big project like this where I'm kind of redesigning an entire room in my house, I always start off by making an inspiration board on Pinterest of kind of how I want the color palette to be and the overall vibe of a room. I really wanted it to have a lot of greenery elements, but also all of the individual decor that I put into this room. I really wanted there to be a black contrast, so I wanted all of like the soap dispenser and the trash can and little canisters to be solid black, and then bring in some greenery and then have this ombre walls. I highly recommend before you start any kind of big project like this that you make an inspiration board, because it's gonna help you when you go shopping, when you pick your paint, just to kind of keep everything that you're buying in the same theme. Let's go shopping, let's find some new stuff, let's go get some paint, and see you at the store. Bye! I love all these bath rugs. So pretty. It's like a mini Moroccan rug. Super soft too. Let's see this one. Oh, I love this. Solid though with fringe. Oh my god, I'm dying. I love this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's so textured. I love all these different textures together. So I'm at Lowe's picking out paint color. They kind of give you the ombre colors already, like already on. So this is the accent towel that we're going to be using in the bathroom. So I know for sure that I want to use black accents in the decor. So we're kind of matching this stuff and what will go well. So I'm either thinking some kind of green moment for the ombre or like a rust color for the ombre. So I'm going to take all of these samples home and get RJ's opinion because he kind of spends more time there than I do. So we'll see what he has to say, and then we'll come back and get the pints of paint. Trash cans. Okay, so I'm back in the bathroom and picked out some paint samples because I really didn't know which direction I wanted to go, whether I wanted to kind of ombre this wall in a green, which is really nice for a bathroom, I think, because it's very like serene and calm, or in the color that I'm always gravitating towards, which is like that mauvey purpley pink. So I kind of need RJ to always keep me in check on that color because I feel like sometimes it goes too feminine. So he decided on green. So we are gonna be ombre painting our wall in these colors. So it's gonna fade from like a nice taupey beige to soft green to a dark green. So before we get started on our DIY, before we get started on decorating, there's a very important thing that we need to do first. Get rid of everything that's in this bathroom, because I always think that I'm a good painter, but I always find paint splotches and mess ups in weird places. So we need to get rid of everything to not mess it up. Start with like a blank canvas. Okay, so everything's out of this room. Oh my God, it's echoing in here. That's so weird. Next step, clean. I'm gonna clean all of the countertops, and I'm going to clean this wall, because the first step to any kind of painting project is to make sure that your wall is clean of any dirt or dust. Just a clean canvas to put new paint on it. So next step, clean. Okay, so now that everything is clean, we are gonna get started on DIYing our ombre painted wall first and let that dry really good. And then we're gonna do a haul on all of the things that I bought from lots of different stores that we're gonna be putting in this bathroom. So let's get started. So the first thing for our DIY ombre wall is to take a screwdriver and remove all of the covers for your outlets and your light switches so that they don't get messed up and you can just paint behind them and then just put them right back. Just like this. We have 3 colors of paint. A quart of paint, they say, covers about 100 square feet. Usually you can get a little more out of it, like 125 square feet. This entire wall that we're covering is 98 square feet. So a quart of each is more than enough, because we're only gonna be really painting a third. Could have gone with a pint of paint, but you never know what's gonna happen. Each of these cost me $18. I just got these liners. They're only like $1.20 or $1.50. So I got 3 liners for each of the paint. I don't know why every time I paint a project, I only get liners. I don't even own like the little tray that you actually use. Next, you're going to need paint rollers, and I got a pack of 3 because we have 3 paint colors. Valspar, this is in Spanish, $5 for 3 of them? Maybe more, maybe $9. A paint roller, I think $5. A drop cloth, put on the floor so that you don't get paint all over your baseboards and your floor. This was only like $1 something, almost $2. You're going to need blue painter's tape. How many inches is this? I have no idea. Why do I keep reading things in Spanish? 2 of these guys, we are going to be mixing some of our colors together to create that ombre effect. And another thing that you're gonna need is wide paintbrushes. So anything 3 inches and above. I think that's all you need. There's nothing else in my bag. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put down our drop cloth and our painter's tape, and I don't know after that. So we'll get started on that and then I'll let you know. So we are gonna be starting off with the darkest color first. So we're gonna be working from the bottom up. So we're gonna be starting with Pristine Wilderness using a paint stirrer. Stir. Ooh. We want like about a 5-inch space that is not painted between each of our colors, because we're gonna be blending our colors together and then going back and painting in there so that it gives a great ombre effect. Now that we got the darkest color all the way along the bottom, now we're gonna do the second layer and then blend those together. Ooh. Ooh. So now that we got the first and second color up on the wall with a little bit of space in between, you can see that the old paint color is showing through. We're gonna take one of our bowls and using the light color first, because you can always make a light color darker, but making a dark color lighter is actually really difficult. So taking our medium green, we're gonna pour just a little bit in here. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of color because a little bit I think is gonna go a long way, and I'm going to mix them together. And just keep adding the dark until you get a nice medium between the two colors. Okay, so now that I got a nice medium between my two greens, and blending the two colors together, but making your brush go at a diagonal. Go like this. And you're just gonna blend until it looks ombre. And if you need to add more darker color, see, it looks like I'm good on the top, but I need to add a darker color and then blend this down here. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until it's all blended together, until I have that nice ombre look. Okay, so now that we got it faded together, we are ready to do our final color and then blend those together. This vanilla sugar color. Ooh. Now that we have all of that color painted, we are gonna blend the middle. And a tip that I have for you that I found worked when I got better at the blend down there is to re-wet. We painted this a while ago and I just painted that, so that's fresh. I'm gonna go back with the roller and make this kind of top layer of this medium green color like wet paint so that it blends easier. I'm going to be mixing the cream. So we're gonna put some cream in here with some green. And we're just gonna keep adding until it's kind of that medium in between color that we really need, so that it blends really well. So just keep adding until you have the color that you need. We're just gonna blend these two colors together, and I just re-wet this green color so that it would blend more evenly. Let's do a haul of the things that I bought for this room, and then we can get started decorating. I got these leaves that we're gonna be putting in the corner by the mirror, and I got this collection of rubber black coated bathroom accessories. These are all from CB2. These are from CB22 little canisters, great for Q-tips and cotton balls. And I got 3 of these to go on the wall that we just painted, and I think these are so cute, and they'll sit on these gunmetal shelves. Bath towels and hand towels and rugs that I got from World Market. Gray with cream and black and greenery really goes with my inspiration that I showed you guys. So let's start decorating. So it's a totally new day because after I hung up these shelves, I was so tired from painting the wall to hanging these, because I don't know why hanging shelves always kind of freaks me out that they're not gonna be straight. Ugh, it was stressing me out. So after I hung those up, I felt so accomplished that I went to sleep. So I'm kind of gonna do this kind of montage of me decorating, and you guys can see all the great pieces that I found for this space, and I hope it comes together like my inspiration board. Fingers crossed. So let's get started. hope you guys enjoyed making over this room with me and completely turning my bathroom from a not so cute renter's bathroom into kind of bathroom gold. Make sure that you search online, you find inspiration, and you really know what direction you want to take your design. So an inspiration board is key. And if you're gonna DIY ombre a wall anywhere in your house, make sure your paint is still wet, because I feel like that was the biggest challenge for me. So definitely make sure to re-wet any sections that you've already painted. So if you guys did like this video and coming along on the journey with me, definitely hit the like button below. I would very much appreciate it. And if you want to follow along as I redo different rooms in my house and do really fun and awesome DIYs, definitely hit the subscribe button below, because I post new videos every week. So I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Is that an upside down duck?
Because it's the bathroom and it gets really steamy and moist. Blech, I hate that word. Look at my hands. You know how many times I've washed my hands trying to get all this paint off?
Long life! Long life! I didn't break anything.